Hi, welcome back to my dev journey. In the last video, I told you guys that I'm building something, but I didn't really explain what my project idea is. So in this video, I'm going to explain what I'm working on, and what's the progress of the first week. So the project I'm working on is an Android app. The app is called Uni Hustle, and it's basically a freelancing app, but more student focused. Freelancing app, really, don't you have idea of your own? There are a lot in the market, a lot of them in the market. Actually, I have few, but there's a reason why I'm building something that already exists in the market. In short, it's all about validation. Every idea needs validation. Every idea needs to be tested. But if something that already exists in the market and have some audience, that means I don't have to worry about validating my ideas. And honestly, this is my first project. I don't want to gamble everything on something unproven. Before choosing this project, I did a lot of research, what to build and what not to build. The conclusion: don't start with something brand new ideas. Start with something that already has some audience. More importantly, this project isn't about building something, but about learning to build. And later on, they will use these learnings and creating something which is truly original, while eliminating the potential mistakes. Mm, why freelancing it? I mean, there are a lot of big players like Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr. You won't get a chance. Yeah, there are big players, but did you notice what I said earlier? It's more student focused. Yep. So what? These guys are famous among students too. Yeah, but there are two problems that, or you can say, I believe that's a problem that are still not solved, especially related to students. See, a student faces a lot of tasks that still requires physical interactions, and like building working model of something or pouring handwritten assignments. And most of freelancing platforms doesn't solve this. Why? Because these are built for professionals, not for students. And honestly, like when you are starting something, it's really hard to get noticed in the crowd. That's exactly why I'm building Uni Hustle, a campus marketplace for students where skills meet needs. That's my tagline. Okay, so this is how your app is differ from other freelancing apps. Yep. But I know you're gonna say that there are WhatsApp groups that where students do exactly same stuffs. Exactly. Yes, of course there are, but they are totally unorganized and always prone to frauds. Another thing is there's no central system that can guarantee safety and take responsibility if something go wrong. And here comes the purpose of creating this project, which is to create a trusted student to student marketplace where skill meet needs, help a student earn, outsource, and succeed together. So, who is this app really for? Till now, you definitely have guessed that our target audience are two kinds of students. One with the skills that are designers, coders, writers, etc., and are willing to do work in order to gain some experience and side hustle. And second are the students who are drowning in assignments and are juggling with deadlines and are willing to pay some affordable price in order to help or get assistance. Now let's discuss MVP. MVP, what the heck is that? MVP, minimum viable product. MVP or minimum viable product is the simplest version of your product which can be released to the market. It has just enough features to so that your product can reflect what is the purpose of your app, what your app is actually built for, or the core features. For example, to-do applications. You can just flood it with a lot of features. like share tasks, create group boards, sync with email, and many more. But if we talk about MVP for to-do application, it would be just simple thing like adding task, removing task, simple list view, and marking task as done. Just that simple. Oh, so that is MVP. So our MVP will have core features like authentication, profile management, post jobs, bidding, hiring, review, payment. That's it. It will go like user can sign up or log in. It will land. They will be land on the home page where the jobs posted by other users will be there. User can either post their own job or click on particular job to view it, and if they are interested they can put bid on that. Now after that they will get hired, paid, reviewed. Simple, that's it. Easy? No. Building this isn't as simple as it sounds, because for someone like me who is building a project for the first time, this is really a big deal. And of course this wasn't enough for me, so I had to go and shot myself in the foot by taking the decision of doing all stuffs like backend, front end, UI, database all by myself, even though there are some easy options available for database like Superbase or Firebase. Now that's all about my project. And because I don't want to fry my brain, so I gave me a chilling deadline. That's 12 week. Yep. You may say that 12 weeks, oh my God, this is too much. Because do you know what? Believe me, 12 weeks will pass like snap. That's it. So, okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Wait, didn't you said that you are going to tell about s- progress of this week? Yeah, I did, but this video pushed my limits. Maybe in next video.